Something sweet for today. Remember, the enemy is not a creator. He's not. So, what he will do is recycle the same old things from your past trauma. And he hopes that you don't catch on to the fact that he's playing your life out like Hollywood. So, in your youth, it started out with an animation, and as you get older, they turn it into a live action film. So, the enemy will keep using the same scenarios over and over again, but it's the same storyline, just new actors and new voices. So if you dealt with rejection as a child, he's going to send it back again. Abandonment, send it back again. Low self-esteem, he's sending it back again. But you have found the cheat code is to walk by faith and not by sight, and seek God in everything. Lean out into your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. God is exposing the enemy, and everything in your life that's not of God is coming tumbling down. The enemy is not a creator. Our Most High God is a creator. So seek him first, and he's going to expose the lies of the enemy in your life and break off those dysfunctional cycles. Have a wonderful day.